Now we will do some program on calculation using while loop. Okay, calculation oriented. Last video we saw the print oriented programs on while loop. So let's start. So the syntax will be same only. So here the question I am providing, write a Visual Basic program to find out the sum of all numbers between 1 and between 1 and say 20. Okay, so how the I forget to write rem remark. So remark is written. Now dim the n the variable and s the variable I took as integer. Okay, understood? Why two variable? Because we have to find out the sum of it. We did it in for also. Okay, so now as we are doing in while loop, so we have to initialize the value of 1 n, that is 1, and we can add here while n less than equal to how long it is continuing. In question given that it has to continue till 20, so I wrote here 20, while immediately I wrote went, so there won't be any chances of forgetting. So now I have to add. So how can I add it? The variable s I took for that to hold the sum, so I can write here s equal to s plus n. Okay, this is how the number get added in the variable s. Fine. And here students, I didn't declare s as 0. So what is happening, you please see. What is happening, we will see whether it is showing the result or it's not showing the result, it's showing the garbage value like C++. Okay, so now n value will increment by 1, so we have to write n equal to n plus 1 as the loop is continuing from 1 to 20. Fine students. Now after the loop starts from here till here. After the loop gets over, thereafter we have to write print statement with the statement the sum is okay s. So why after I wrote? Because after completion of the loop only the result will be printed, not in between. We don't require, not in between we require to print the results. We want to see the final result. If the loop is continuing now here, continuing here, and as the process is going on, no need to write the print statement. After the process get done, we have to immediately give the print statement to print the answer. So let's check without wasting time. So see here the sum is 210. So as it starts the value from 1, continue till 20. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus everything is done till 20 and the result is coming on screen. Okay, suppose you say to keep it inside the loop. So what is happening, you see, like previous program we did, always we used to keep the print statement inside the loop. So now check how the loop is print is coming. See, it is printing in between the results. So what these results are? Now at first, because the s value we didn't declare, so in Visual Basic there is no garbage concept. If the variable is not initialized with 0, automatically it will understood that it is initialized to 0. Fine. So this is no need to specify the value with 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1, thereafter 1 plus 2 is 3, then 3 plus 3 is 6. So this is how it is continuing till the last time showing the result. Okay, let's go with a new program, another program. So here suppose I'm adding, find out the sum of all even numbers. I'm adding here, I'm doing here even numbers. So how the coding will be, please see. Even numbers. Okay, let's try with reverse 51 to 2, 51 and 2. Anything I can give the question students. So the beginning will be what here? 51, and this will be what? Now greater than equal to 2, because it is going reverse. When the numbers are traveling reverse, means descending order, use greater than symbol, and when the numbers are traveling ascending order, use less than symbol. That is the trick of. Okay, now before doing the sum, as we need to do only the even numbers, as we need to take care, entertain only the even numbers, so you can specify here n mod 2 equal to 0. It means if the value of n is 0, if the value of n divisible by 2 is 0, then the sum will be taken care. Then only the sum will be taken care of. So then you can use here. And if the loop is over, as the loop is continuing downward, so you have to use it here. n equal to n minus 1, then the print statement you have to bring it down as the result, final result you want to show, you want to see. In between the result you don't want to see. So this is how the program get done. Now check by running the program and showing the sum is 650. Clear? It is calculating the numbers from 51 to 2 and all the even numbers it is calculating. Means 50 plus 48 plus 46 plus 44 like this till 2. It is calculating, finding out in the sum, holding in S and printing at last. Okay. Next, let's try with except. Okay, print all the sum, find out the sum of, suppose in place of sum I gave you product of all odd numbers between 1 and 20 except a product of 1 and 20. In between we want to find out all the odd numbers, but except 5, and I am just giving some other number like 9. It means I want to multiply what are the numbers, odd numbers. So 1 into 3 into 5 won't be there. Okay, after 5 then what number? 7, then 9 won't be there, then 11, then 13. So this is how the result will be finded out and the result will be told as what. Okay, so now let's try. So here I took n and s. Let it be s, does not matter, variable name can be anything. If you wish to give p, because product, so p you take. But the problem here is what? Now as we want to find out the product, and here initialization is must, because it will predict, if you won't initialize it will predict it as 0. So multiplying with 0, anything will be 0. So we let initialize with p equal to 1. Okay, it is not allowing there the print means initialization. So better to initialization below. So you initialize it inside. Okay, so n is what? Now 1, and p is what? 1. Okay, now while the loop will continue till how long? It will continue till 20. Fine. Then all the odd numbers I need. So what I have to do? Not equal to 0, or I can do equal to 1. It is totally up to you. Then product you need to do. So in place of s we can specify p equal to p multiplied by n, and the value of n is incrementing 1 by 1, so we can do plus 1. Okay, to continue the loop. Now in place of sum we can write the product is p. Okay, this should be the result. This is how you can get the result later on and check. See, overflow. Why it is showing overflow, students? Because when we are multiplying, the numbers are getting very big, huge. Okay, so that it is not getting fit within the p variable, because multiplying means 1 by 1 the numbers are getting increased. So the range of the number is going ahead. So in that case, in place of long we can specify long. In place of integer, sorry, we can specify long, some other variable like the data type, that is integer is the lower version of number, and long we are taking here the higher version. So now let's check by running the program. See, the result is how big. Fine, because we are multiplying here. Okay, so in place of int we have to keep the long the variable. Okay, now next let's try. Here the product we did with the multiplication. Next, suppose let's try with except. Okay, except already we did here 5 and 9. Oh sorry, here this one is not completed. 5 and 9 should not be included, I think. No? So what we can do here, students, after this if I can specify here and n not equal to what? 5, and n not equal to what? 9. Okay, it means 5 won't be included and 9 won't be included. So this is what the concept is. Let's run and check. Okay, the result is coming. In this case, it is taking care of all the odd numbers between 1 and 20 and not including 5 and not including 9. Okay, using while loop we tried here. Okay, hope all of you understood the concept.